Hello friends, today we are making a 3D design, and with the help of this 3D design, we're going to make a spy camera. This 3D design I have created using a software. After that we will 3D print it using a 3D printer. Before we move ahead, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech builds. I know you might not have a 3D printer, but you can get it printed from the market or order it from any cheap website. The quality of the website I ordered from is very good. After that I designed a PCB circuit board whose components were difficult to find. So I used an SMT service from a website. The board I designed came with all the necessary components already assembled on this motherboard. This service is called the SMT service and many websites offer it. I will tell you about these websites in upcoming videos. This is the board you can find in the local market. Now we are taking a spy camera and a battery. Now we will fix all these components. While I'm fixing this, enjoy the video and share it with your friends. It's very helpful. Then we'll connect the battery like this. It's very simple. Just follow my lead for the connections. This project will be very useful for you in the future. Our battery connections are done. The battery I used in this will easily give us a full day's backup. This battery was just lying around unused, and now we'll assemble the entire body. In the video, I'm teaching you how to assemble it step by step. So friends, we'll fix all the components inside it just like this. Friends, by building this camera yourself, you're going to save a lot of money. The best part is you can use it to record anywhere and no one will even realize it's a spy camera. Friends, just think, we fit a complete system inside such a tiny body. Hidden within is a motherboard, a spy camera, and a battery, all perfectly set so no one will suspect a thing. This fact alone is quite shocking. I made this device for a surgical spy operation purpose where I needed discreet recording. You can also make it if you ever need to secretly record an important moment without anyone knowing. Whether it's an exam hall, lab testing, or a field mission, this spy cam spectacle will get your job done silently. It's very simple to make and I'm going to show you everything step by step live. So be sure to watch the video till the end because in the middle I'll also share an important trick that every spy lover can use. Once you wear it, it feels just like a regular pair of glasses. Lightweight, comfortable, and totally natural. But here's where it gets impressive. This tiny device supports a memory card allowing you to store as much footage as you need. And despite its compact size, it offers excellent battery backup, more than you'd expect from something this small. Everything is controlled with just a single hidden button, making it incredibly easy to operate. No complicated setup, no unnecessary wires, and the best part, the camera is seamlessly embedded into the frame. No blinking lights, no sounds, nothing suspicious. It's stealth technology at its finest. Friends, here's the most exciting part. The spy glasses camera gives you complete control over how much you can record. The larger the memory card you insert, the longer your video recording capacity will be. It's that simple. But that's not all. As soon as you power it on, you'll hear a very subtle sound, a soft audio cue that confirms the device has started recording. This built-in sound feature acts like an intelligent alert system. Friends, let me share something really important about this spy glasses camera. The more storage you insert into it, the more data you'll be able to record. Simple logic, right? You can go up to higher capacities, but in my experience, a 32 gigabytes memory card is more than enough for smooth extended recordings without any lag or storage issues. It balances performance and reliability perfectly. Now the device is up and running. I've stepped outside with the glasses on and the recording has already started. I've put it on and stepped outside for the shoot, and as you can see, it's recording perfectly. The best part, no one around even suspects that a camera is rolling. The footage is coming out really well, but let me make one thing clear. This device should never be misused. I am actually heading out for a surgical spy operation, which is the real reason I built this gadget. I'll share the full details of that mission in one of my upcoming videos. Alright, now let's transfer everything we've recorded to the laptop and check it out together. We'll also download the footage for safekeeping. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're excited about DIY tech like this, trust me, what's coming next will blow your mind. Subscribe now and don't miss out.